The key thing that I want to drive home, and you'll hear me say it all the time, every time you touch the paint of your vehicle, you risk scratching it. It doesn't matter how good you are. It doesn't matter how careful you are. Is it possible to never, ever in the life of a vehicle scratch it by washing it? Maybe, probably. But most people, 99.99% of us included, there's always that chance. That's the key point to drive home. Minimal pressure, minimal touching if you can, and just being careful. So, waterless wash, if the car is just dusty, what we can do is sometimes we can pre-soak it, and we use a lot of waterless wash. Americana Global sells waterless wash. We have a 10% off coupon on our website. So you can kind of pre-soak it with waterless wash. We use auto fiber wash mitts and sponges, which you can get from Amazon auto fiber. And you can work in a slow, and I'm barely touching this. You know, it's gonna be hard to really cover on camera, but I am so lightly touching this. We're waterless washing again. And then the way we kind of wipe this residue off, we have these towels. You can get similar ones, but these are ceramic pro towels. We take this and we pretty much just lightly, I'm dragging this across. See how that? And that's how you care for a ceramic coated vehicle if it's minor dirt with waterless wash.